Meaning of extramural.
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 Extramural. The term extramural refers to activities or events that take place outside of the normal curriculum or academic environment of a school or university. These may include sports, clubs, societies, volunteer work, or internships. Participating in extramural activities can offer students opportunities for personal growth, skill development, and social interaction. It can also provide valuable experience and help students stand out to potential employers. While extramural activities may not be directly related to a student's academic studies, they can enhance their overall educational experience and contribute to their success in the future.